Okay, are you having any luck with this blasted thing?
Nope. Every time I try to change things up, I get the same results. Something about the mole is not being fit for the subject or something. Sometimes I wish we can change the moles automatically, you know?
What? Are you trying to be funny right now? Because you can't do that. That's not even how that works.
What? Yes, you can. You're a scientist. You should know this.
Clearly a better scientist than you are, that's for sure. Come on, every scientist knows moles aren't made to do that. What, did you get your degree from a cereal box?
Excuse me! Alright, Mr. Know-It-All, if it's so true, then how come I'm the only one hearing about this just now?
Well, clearly you weren't paying attention in your chemistry class. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if that's what's causing our troubles.
Oh, so you're blaming me for this now?
Well, you're the one who doesn't know diddly squat about how these work, so I wouldn't be surprised.
Hey. Oh, you say!
What?
First of all, you're both wrong. Oh my god, stop
Well,
screaming.
sorry that Aiko here can't seem to figure this out.
Okay, no, I'll explain it. Let's see if you can learn something from me at least. But, shut up, Aiko. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's start off with the basics. What are moles? Well, moles are typically used to represent a quantity of atoms or particles. Moles are typically shown through
6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. We know that. You think I became a scientist without hearing that at least 20 times? How is a lecture supposed to help us here?
If you don't let me explain. Don't worry about him. Please explain. Thank you. Now, moles aren't just for particles or atoms. Moles can also be related to grams. For instance, let's take an element most of us should be familiar with. Oxygen. As we know, the 16 at the bottom is known as the mass number, or the 16 atomic mass units. It also represents something called the molar mass. In that case, it should be written as 16 grams per mole. So, 1 mole of oxygen has the mass amount of 16 grams, and the equation that implies that 16 grams of oxygen has 6 times 10 to the power of 23 atoms. There you go, now you're getting it!
Yes, bravo. You're getting the information you should have gotten before you got your degree. Now, can you get to the part that's supposed to help us?
Shit! Okay, Aiko, are you familiar with Avogadro's number?
No, I'm answering this. Avogadro's number is a conversion between atoms and moles. This equation here is what you use to solve it. You put 1 mole as denominator to cancel them out, and then you multiply.
Oh good, maybe you do know some things.
Excuse-
Shut up. Wait. So using Avogadro's number, calculating grams per mole. Oh, I got the numbers wrong.
You've gotta be kidding me. You made us sit through that entire lecture, made us go through that entire argument, just to find out you calculated the numbers wrong?
Sorry.
Well, at least we finally have it figured out, and can resume testing. I suppose. Thank you, Miss Tenma, for showing us our faults in this.
Well, back to work we go. Come on.